Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've completed. This journal is another hardback cover, has 4 signatures. I've used a digital kit called Scribe and Painter by Zoe Field, and I will link her Etsy shop below because she's got a few journal kits and they're really pretty. So this kit it's got lots of ephemera in it, but there isn't any pockets or tucks. It's all just kind of paper clipped in. I used a cereal box and then covered it with cardstock. Then I covered it with fabric. Oops, I just wobbled the camera. Used this fabric here that the lovely Tina sent me. She is Hummingbird Tales here on YouTube. I'd seen Karen Riley do something yesterday. She made a traveller's notebook pouch thing, and I noticed that she had similar or the same material, and I thought I've got some of that, so I'm going to use it. So that's why I pulled that out. There is some muslin under here that I got from Andrea, who's Artie Mays, and here we've got some cheesecloth. This is one of the little kind of like ATC type size cards that's with the kit from Zoe. I've got this lovely trim on the front and the back. That's 2 pieces, it's not one big piece. And then I put the rosette trim on there. There is a bead dangle, and this lovely trim here is from the lovely Tina again. And Tina, you'll have to tell me where you get this from because I absolutely adore it, and the only time I've had it is when you've gifted it to me, so it would be really nice if I can get my hands on it. I've put bead dangles. There is there's crocheted trim on the edges of the pages. I've put bead dangles on there. There's 4 bead dangles with little garment pins or bulb pins as we call them. Eyelets as a closure, if I haven't already said that, because I've tried to do this video a few times and got interrupted, with seam binding as a closure. And let's go inside. As you can see, it's quite chunky. Like I say, 4 signatures. Can't remember how many pages, but this will be listed on my Etsy, so all the details will be on there and the links will be below. So this is a page from the kit, as is this. Love all the flowers and the insects, and the script is absolutely gorgeous. I've also used ephemera from Tsunami Rose as well, and I will link Tsunami Rose below too. So all the ephemera, well, not all the ephemera, but some of the ephemera is from Tsunami Rose, and it kind of worked well with the colours and like the ephemera and the colours from the kits. Well, I thought so anyway. Done some stenciling. We've got doilies, paper bags, and Edith Holden book pages. There's lined paper, more kit paper, so pretty. Some more. I'm not going to take everything off, but there's more ephemera. This opens up as a double little flip out. This is from Tsunami Rose as well, and this is just some music paper, printable paper. So I've just tied it in the middle. So this is a proper writing journal. Right, this is an envelope from the kit, and I used the technique that Maria is it Blundell had shown the other day, and it's using baby oil on your printables or on like copy paper, and it to make it look like vellum, and it's absolutely amazing. It works. It's so impressed with this technique, and it smells so nice. It smells like babies, because I used the well-known brand. So that goes on there like that. And this is one of the tickets from Zoe's kit as well. Some more ephemera here, and another ticket from the kit. Some more Edith Holden, the other side of the paper bag. some more ephemera. These tags have just got like the ATC sized journal cards glued onto them. Can't use my sewing machine because I've damaged my big toe so it's really difficult because mine's a it's got the foot press on it. It's not a digital one where you press and stop and start it, which I think I'm going to invest in because it would just be so much easier to have that and just press stop and start than having to do it with your foot. Some more Edith Holden, some more kit paper, journaling card and ephemera. This is Tsunami Rose. There's another envelope here with a journaling card from the kit. Another envelope there. There's nothing inside the envelopes, but again I've used the baby oil on this to make it look and feel like vellum. Some more journaling cards and ephemera, a tag from the kit. These journaling cards are from Tsunami Rose, and this is from the kit. Some more ephemera, and these just flip out. Bead dangle, quite enjoyed putting them together, quite relaxing. Some more ephemera and a tag from the kit. The tags have all been backed onto cardstock so they're nice and thick. Yeah, I just got interrupted then. Don't know how many times you tell them I'm doing a video and they still come out saying mum, mum. Another tag, another envelope. This morning's video was the dustbin lorry was down the street, and then he went away, and then he came back, and then he went away again, and then he came back, and I was like, oh god, just get it over and done with. I'm trying to do a video. I think I'll have to like start putting a big notice outside the house. Tell everybody, shh, everyone's videoing. No, I'm only kidding, I wouldn't do that. But it's like sometimes I feel like I sit here and I'm not videoing and I'm not particularly doing anything, nobody bothers me, but as soon as my phone rings, as soon as I want to do a video, it's everybody wants to know you, everybody wants to talk to you. So that's my little whinge for today. Journaling cards, tickets, some more ephemera and a little journaling card. I'll write down on the list and how many pieces of ephemera are in this as well that can be shifted around. They don't have to stay where they are. You could make pockets out of some of these and sew them in. Another journaling card. They've all been coffee stained or coffee dyed. This is just doesn't want to come off. Another big journaling card, and this is just a flip out from the kit. Another tag, another journaling card. When I said like flowers and insects and fruit, there's fruit in there. Do you know, I was just going to say I haven't glued anything down, but somehow that, oh god, I'm unbelievable. A little bit of glue, I swear it just like runs from where it's supposed to be and just goes and sticks somewhere else. So that is this journal. Like I said, it will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. It is a nice, and it lays it lays really nice and flat, like the cover does. Obviously, there's a little bit of with the pearls on here, There's a little bit of dimension to it, but it's easy to write in, as you can see, or stuff it up with whatever you put in your journals. Like me, I just add bits and bobs to mine. So I will put the links below to Zoe's Etsy shop. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's Razor something or other. Excuse me. And to Tsunami Rose. And the links to my Etsy will be below in places to find me. I want to thank you all for like coming over, watching my videos, leaving comments. I really do appreciate it. And it is really nice to see all the comments. So that's all I wanted to say. So I will go and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.